Can a grown-ass adult learn to do a handstand? Hi, I'm Shanda. I'm 50 years old, and I want to be able to do a handstand in the middle of the room and be able to walk on my hands. Today is day one. Oh, God. Day three, my shoulders are really sore, so I'm not going to do too much. I think I'm just building up strength in my shoulders and in my wrist. So I'll just do a little bit each day till I get stronger.
Okay. Oh. There you go.
So it's been a week now, and I'm able to kick up to the wall, which I'm very happy about. I think for this next week, I'm gonna just kick up to the wall and try to hold it for 30 seconds, just building up my wrists, muscles, and my shoulders. I'm also gonna try to clean up my legs to get them more straight and pointed. And so we'll see where I'm at next week.